Get ready to embark on a virtual journey to the stunning Dreams Dominicus La Romana, a luxurious, all-inclusive resort nestled in the picturesque Bayahibe Beach of the Dominican Republic. This five-star haven offers a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure, catering to both families and couples seeking an unforgettable Caribbean getaway. As we step into the world of Dreams Dominicus La Romana, you'll be greeted by the resort's Italian-inspired architecture, a visual feast that sets the stage for the opulence that awaits. Imagine waking up to breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea, lush verdant gardens, and inviting pools that seem to stretch endlessly into the horizon. It's a sight that'll make you pinch yourself to ensure you're not still dreaming. Let's talk accommodations, shall we? The resort offers a range of room options to suit every taste and budget. From the spacious deluxe rooms to the lavish preferred club suites, each living space is designed with your comfort in mind. Picture yourself in a deluxe room, sprawled across 538 square feet of pure luxury. You'll find either a king-size bed fit for royalty or two double beds that promise the sweetest of dreams. And let's not forget the private, furnished balcony or terrace, the perfect spot for your morning coffee or evening cocktail as you soak in those mesmerizing views. But wait, there's more! If you're feeling fancy, why not upgrade to a preferred club room or suite? These bad boys come with exclusive access to the preferred club lounge and designated areas throughout the resort. It's like being a VIP at an already VIP resort. Talk about living your best life. You'll enjoy elevated concierge service, an upgraded minibar because who doesn't love extra snacks? And enhanced room amenities that'll make you feel like you've died and gone to all-inclusive heaven. Now, let's dive into the aquatic wonderland that awaits you at Dreams Dominicus La Romana. The resort boasts multiple pools that cater to every water lover's fantasy. There's an infinity pool that seems to merge with the Caribbean Sea, creating an illusion of endless blue. For the adults looking to escape the kiddos for a bit, there's an adults-only pool where you can enjoy some grown-up swim time. But the real star of the show is the beach. Picture this. A kilometer-long stretch of powdery white sand, lapped by crystal-clear turquoise waters. It's the kind of beach that screams Caribbean paradise and has you reaching for your camera every 5 minutes. And the best part? The resort offers a range of water activities to keep you entertained. Fancy a bit of snorkeling? Go for it. Want to try your hand at kayaking or paddleboarding? They've got you covered. And if you're feeling particularly adventurous, why not give beach volleyball a go? Just be prepared for some friendly competition from your fellow guests. Now, let's talk about the culinary journey that awaits you at Dreams Dominicus La Romana. Prepare your taste buds for a gastronomic adventure that'll take you around the world without ever leaving the resort. With multiple restaurants offering a variety of cuisines, you'll never have to eat the same thing twice, unless you want to, of course. Craving some Asian flavors? Head to the Pan-Asian restaurant for some mouth-watering sushi, stir-fries, and noodle dishes. In the mood for some Italian comfort food? The Italian restaurant serves up pasta, pizza, and risotto that'll transport you straight to the heart of Rome. Feeling fancy? The French restaurant offers a sophisticated dining experience with delicacies like escargots and duck confit. And for those nights when you can't decide what you're in the mood for, the International Specialties restaurant has got you covered with a mix of global cuisines. But wait, there's more! I know I've said that before, but this resort just keeps on giving. For a casual dining experience, head to the barbecue restaurant for some grilled meats, seafood, and veggies that'll make your mouth water. And let's not forget about the bars. Whether you're lounging by the beach, chilling at the pool, or hanging out in the lobby, there's always a bar nearby to keep your thirst quenched. From signature cocktails to ice-cold beers, these bars have got everything you need to keep the vacation vibes flowing. Now, let's talk about activities because Dreams Dominicus La Romana is not just about lounging by the pool, although there's plenty of that if that's your thing. The resort offers a plethora of activities to keep you entertained from dawn to dusk. Fitness enthusiasts will love the state-of-the-art fitness center equipped with modern equipment. And if you're looking to take your workout outdoors, why not join a beach yoga class or a water aerobic session? For those seeking relaxation, the spa is a must-visit. Indulge in a variety of treatments designed to rejuvenate your body and soul. From massages that'll make you forget what stress even is, to facials that'll have you glowing like a Caribbean sunset, the spa has got you covered. And let's not forget about the sauna and steam room. Perfect for detoxing after one too many pina coladas. Hey, no judgment here. You're on vacation after all? If you're traveling with kids, you'll be pleased to know that Dreams Dominicus La Romana has thought of everything to keep the little ones entertained. The Explorers Club offers a range of activities for children, from arts and crafts to social events. It's like a mini vacation for the kids within your vacation. Everyone's a winner, but the fun doesn't stop when the sun goes down. The resort comes alive at night with live shows, music events, and themed nights. From beach parties that'll have you dancing in the sand to dinner shows that combine culinary delights with entertainment, there's always something happening to keep you entertained. Now, let's talk about what makes Dreams Dominicus La Romana truly special. It's not just the beautiful rooms, the stunning beach, or the delicious food, although those are all pretty awesome. It's the little touches that set this resort apart, like the 24-hour room service for those midnight snack cravings, or the daily maid service that ensures your room is always a welcoming oasis. It's the friendly staff who go above and beyond to make your stay memorable. It's the sip, savor, and see dining experience that allows you to dine at nearby participating resorts, giving you even more dining options. But don't just take my word for it. The resort consistently receives high ratings from guests across various platforms. On TripAdvisor, it boasts a 4.5 out of 5-star rating based on over 11,000 reviews. On Booking.com, it scores an impressive 8.8 out of 10. Guests rave about the friendly staff, excellent food, and beautiful beach. Of course, no resort is perfect, and some guests have mentioned the need for cleaner rooms and better Wi-Fi connectivity. But hey, when you're in paradise, who needs the internet anyway? If you're looking to explore beyond the resort, you're in luck. Dreams Dominicus La Romana is perfectly situated to explore some of the Dominican Republic's most beautiful attractions. Sayona Island, a tropical paradise known for its stunning beaches and turquoise waters, is just a 30-minute boat ride away. The Altos de Chavon Artists Village, a replica of a 16th-century Mediterranean village, is a 20-minute drive from the resort and offers a unique cultural experience. So, whether you're a couple looking for a romantic getaway, a family seeking fun in the sun, or a solo traveler in need of some R&R, Dreams Dominicus La Romana has something for everyone. It's a place where luxury meets comfort, where adventure meets relaxation, and where every day feels like a dream come true. In conclusion, Dreams Dominicus La Romana isn't just a resort, it's an experience. It's a place where you can create memories that'll last a lifetime, where you can indulge in life's little luxuries, and where you can truly escape the everyday hustle and bustle. So why wait? Start planning your dream vacation today. After all, life's too short to not live your dreams, especially when those dreams involve pristine beaches, gourmet food, and endless cocktails. See you in paradise. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.